is Lisbon. Check it out.
Yummy! The first day we explored the Alfama district on the way up to the Castelo de St. George. The Alfama district is the oldest one in Lisbon and is made up of tons of cobble-lined streets leading their way all the way up to the castle. It's full of cute cafes, shops, and some insane views of the city, so it's definitely worth taking the time to explore.
We are in the castle.
Head west along the river, you'll hit the Caves of Soldier and the massive Time Out markets. It's got so much amazing food to choose from, with 24 restaurants, 8 bars, and tons of shops to check out as well. Since it's right by the river, make sure to stop and grab a drink on the way at one of the various spots to enjoy the views.
It's the bus, the Linha de Sintra. No. Hope we don't fuck that up.
What's the L?
Oh, bye.
So we're just waiting for the train to Sintra now. It's coming in like 20 minutes, and it's 40 minutes on the train to get there. It's only €2.50 return, so it's pretty legit. Let's go. Come on! A bunch of castles and some trees and wilderness.
Let's go check out these trees then.
Yeah.
So we arrived in Sintra and we've now booked one of these little Twizzlers.
Yeah. Yeah, there's Pina Castle, which is on the top, which is the colourful one, which we're really excited to see. And then there's like 5 or 6 other ones sort of dotted around the wilderness, so we'll see which one we end up at when we get there.
Back to the RV. Yeah, just cop it in there.
Sintra is a really popular day trip destination for tourists visiting Lisbon, and it's awesome. When spending the day in Sintra, we highly recommend that you rent your own transport. It gives you the freedom to go at your own pace and hit up all the different locations in the area, including some of the amazing coastal locations that you can't reach via the tourist shuttle.
Where are we going?
Away to the coastline so we can see the waves and dolphins. We found a location. We're going to wander down to the end because it's unreal. Just walked to the end and this is crazy. The tones between the blue and the orange is just mad. I'm going to stitch in a picture right now.
So this is Cabo de Roca. The sun's starting to set, so we're going to head over to the palace. There you go.
Posse out. We've got a long walk ahead today. Gonna have to add them sugar granulates. It's coffee time. Breakfast is served. Grab yourself a croy.
This is the April 25th bridge. Don't know why it's called that. That's the King, Christ the King. It's modeled after Christ Redeemer in Rio. Just a bit of a smaller version, but still really sick. And that's the same guy that did the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Did this one, that's why it kind of looks the same. But Portugal's way cooler, so there you go. We just walked 17 miles. We need a break. We're not even to Bellum yet. We're gonna have a coffee and then we'll sort our shit out and we'll get there and we'll hopefully make it there before the sun sets. So we get to see what this monastery's saying and see what these fucking tarts taste like. Alright, cut to some cinematic coffee shots.
out those goils. Hack, hack, hack. Oh, perfect.
Amazing.
Thank you very much. Damn.
Thank you so much.
Good job.
Wow. Insane. Absolutely incredible. Wow, look at the state of that. Look at all that balsamic. Wow. I need to take a picture of that.
Wow, the service and delivery, everything here.
World class.
On job.
World class.
Hey buddy, you're killing it, bro. Yeah. Day 4.
Insane. It's rainy outside today, so I'm gonna park up here for the day. We're coming from Pink Street, which used to be the red light district of Lisbon. It's been reconverted to like a hip, urban, trendy area. So we're gonna go check out one of the old brothels. It's now converted into a bar.
We made it to... Let's go cop some bikes.
We're going to Quincher Beach.
My guy. We seem to have a wild togger in the undergrowth. And does he have the bangers?
Next, we visited the coastal town of Cascais. It's located just west of Lisbon and is definitely worth the visit. It's got bike trails that go all along the coastline, so bikes are a perfect and cheap way to get around and see everything the area has to offer.
This location's insane. The waves just pound. What the? I climbed up onto the top of there and got drenched with a wave. I'm going to stitch in a picture now. Now check out some drone footage.
is the nata, which is the Portuguese pastry that originated here in Lisbon. So it's big ones.
So we're in Lisbon, final day. We're about to find a Lisbon alleyway to get a few bang bangs.
So we found this cool little alley and some wine, so we thought we'd take some pics. So check them out here.